Hello, my dear fourth grade students. This is our first week English assignment, and you have to turn it in on March 26th. You have to download the PowerPoint presentation, write your answers on it, and send it to me. But before, don't forget to save it under your complete name and your section. The achievement indicators are understanding characters, using a dictionary, spelling words, homophones, past tense verbs, and you have an evaluation at the end. The instructions, please, like I said, you have to download the PowerPoint presentation, write your answers on it, and then send it to me, to this address. Exercise number 1, you have to read and then fill out the chart with thoughts and feelings from the characters, actions, relationships with others. Exercise number 2, you have to use your dictionary. You may use an online dictionary, but first, don't forget to click on the link and watch the video. And the last thing, please complete the, the sentences with the words from the bank. Exercise number 3, you have to click on the link and solve the crossword puzzle just like we have done in class. And then take a screenshot, paste it next to this picture, and save it. Exercise number 4, you have homophones. You have 25 words. You have to look them up in the dictionary, your online dictionary, and write a sentence. You have the space for the words, for the 25 words. Exercise number 5, you have to write the past tense. We have been practicing bingo in our class, and you can write the answers, or you can Google them. And the last thing that you got to do is take the evaluation. It's about homophones. You just have to choose A, B, or C, and then save your answers. And that's it. Good luck and stay safe. Have a beautiful weekend.